check this out. Now, I've seen a lot of things in my years, but never anything quite like that. This is the end of a boat, and I know it's gonna be tough to see, but the sucker is stuck in there by the head of a boat. I've never seen the head of a boat penetrate a tire. It has never happened to me personally in all my years that I have been kicking tires, messing around cars or whatever. I have never seen the head of a boat penetrate a tire. That is a first for me. I don't know if y'all ever seen anything like this, but yeah, y'all needed to see this.